Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Pilates with Pooja. Today's routine, as you have read the title, you know that it's going to be a simple stretch routine, and this is going to be a very relaxing video. And this stretch routine is basically gonna help you stretch out your shoulders, your back, your glutes and your abductors. This is going to be very helpful to someone who's been working from home, who's been sitting on the laptop for hours at a stretch during the day, which is most of the population right now. So I think this is going to be a very helpful video for anyone who's working from home. During this stretch routine, remember to breathe throughout each and every routine, because the goal is to feel comfortable and relaxed. And if you feel uncomfortable, then make sure that you either don't do that exercise or do it up to a point which you're comfortable with. And let's get to it.
Alright, so now we're gonna begin by just lying down on the floor and on your back, and your knees are bent. Your feet is flat on the ground and your hands are by your side. Find your neutral position and take some nice deep breaths gently in via your nose and out through your mouth. And focus on your breathing and try relaxing the body and the mind. Now hands are up towards the sky. Inhale and squeeze your shoulders together, and this is the simple protraction and retraction of the shoulders. Here you are simply moving through your shoulders. This will give a nice stretch in your shoulder area, in the front of the shoulder area, and as well as the back. So we're gonna do a few more and then we're gonna move on to the next stretch. Here you're gonna go across the body, so you're gonna go towards the left side, rotating slightly. You're gonna get a stretch in the back of the shoulders with this stretch. Then you're gonna come towards your right side. Keep taking nice and deep breaths throughout the exercise, throughout the routine. And just reach and release while focusing on your breath. I made sure that I record this movement from both angles so that you get a clear understanding of how the hands are supposed to move during this routine. Now moving on to the next one, your hands are going over your head without letting the rib cage pop. Keep your hands by your side and then you are basically working on your mobility of the shoulders while avoiding to pop your rib cage, and you go as far as you can while maintaining your rib cage position. So I have already talked about the rib cage principle before this, which tells you that you should avoid either overextending or underextending your rib cage. So keep that in mind while doing this stretching routine. Now we're gonna do a few more and we'll be done with warming up our shoulders, and we'll be moving on to the pelvic tilts. Now here we're gonna just rock our pelvis, going into the flat back and going into an extension this way. Come back to the neutral and rotate your pelvic area in this manner. Go out into an extension, come back on a flat back. Go out into an extension and come back on a flat back. Now take your right arm and right leg straight out and feel the stretch. Take good breaths and come back and you do this on both sides. And now we're gonna do it for both hands and legs together, right? So make sure that you get a good stretch on both sides of your body. Again, we're gonna do it on the right side, taking our right hand and leg out together. Feel that stretch while you breathe throughout all these movements. Now doing it on the left side, get a nice stretch, and now move on to stretch both hands and legs together, right? So we're done with this, and now we're going on to the next one. You straighten your one leg out here, and again your left leg out. You're basically viewing the same stretch routine from another angle to make sure that you do not misinterpret any position. And this stretch is very versatile, because it will not only, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, it will not only stretch out your back but your entire body. So this is a great stretch if you're someone who works from home. Now we're gonna straighten one leg out and take the other one towards the chest, and you just come as far as it's comfortable for you, and keep your head down and your back flat. Now drop your hands down to the side and take the leg out that was in towards your chest, and take it across your body and stretch. Get a good stretch in your back. You're getting a good twist in your back or your spine, and yeah, and your shoulder basically stays on the ground when you're twisting, and you're also trying to reach your knee on the ground, right? The leg that goes across touches the knee on the ground. And now we're gonna come back and stretch your glutes and abductors. So your top leg goes across, straight leg comes in the knee bend, and you're kind of pushing the leg that is across, so the glute is stretched out. You hold and you breathe, and change sides. Make sure that you are relaxing throughout this movement and that you're not uncomfortable at any point. And release and get your both legs towards just get your one leg towards the chest, and do the same thing where you come and drop your hands towards the side. You try to reach the knee of the leg that comes across to the ground, and while keeping your shoulders on the floor without them popping up. Now coming back, and you're gonna bring this leg, the left leg, and you're gonna go and stretch on the other side. Make note that my knees are touching the ground and my shoulders are also on the ground as well. So that's how you have to go through this routine. And over here I am basically repeating the same that I did for the other leg, coming and getting a great stretch in the glutes. You are basically gonna bring your left leg across your right leg and gonna reach your hand through that leg and hold it for a little while to get a good stretch in your glutes. Here you're gonna release and get both the legs towards your chest, stretching out slowly, and rock your spine left to right. It's a slow rock, very relaxing on the back, taking nice deep breaths and rocking for a few seconds. Put your feet back.
So that was your stretch routine, and hope you feel increased mobility and you experience increased flexibility after this stretch routine. Hope you were comfortable throughout it. I was definitely completely relaxed after doing this entire stretch routine. And Yeah, so before you leave this video, please like, share and comment on my videos. A little appreciation goes a long way. And subscribe to Pilates with Pooja. And yeah, that's it for today. Bye bye.